I forgot my phone in my apartment.
Do you really need your phone?
Yes, of course. I use it all the time for different things.
Maybe it's better to be without your phone for a day?
Without my phone? All day long?
Yeah, you got me right. It'll be our challenge for today.
No way. I won't be able to do this. But what does the challenge mean anyway?
The challenge means a test.
Oh, got it.
Just try it. You won't regret it. I'll be with you.
Okay. Let's try. Before we go outside, let us know in the comments if you want us to do more challenges like this.
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh no, I feel so bad.
Why, Lena?
I haven't checked my phone for 10 minutes.
It's all right. You'll be able to check your phone at the end of our hangout.
But what if I get an important message or call on my phone?
Like what?
I don't know, something urgent.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Nothing's going to happen.
Hi, neighbor. How's it going?
Hello, Lena. Everything is good. The day is so beautiful today. How about you?
I'm fine too. Mark and I decided not to use our phones today, so we're just hanging out here.
Wow, that's a nice idea. I wish I could do that too.
See, Lena, I told you.
But nowadays, it seems impossible.
Next time you can join us for our challenge.
Hee. Okay, Lena, see you around.
Have a great day. Mark, can I check your phone, please?
No, Lena. You're addicted to your phone. Remember? A day without it.
Yeah, okay. But wait, you said I'm addicted? What does that mean?
If someone is addicted to something, it means that person can't live without it.
So are we all addicted to food?
Not exactly. We need food to survive, basically not to die. But in your case, you won't die without your phone, but you want it, so you're addicted to it.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Atta girl.
So, are we going to take this bus or not?
Which bus?
That one behind us.
Oh, that one. Yeah, let's take it.
You know, I just realized I won't be able to pay. I usually pay with my phone.
Don't worry, I'll pay for both of us.
Thanks a bunch.
No problem, Lena.
Mark, everybody's looking at their phones, but we aren't. I don't even have my smartwatch.
Yes, and they're missing everything around them.
Like what, for example?
Let's sit down and look through the window.
Ah, look, there's such a cute dog over there. You mean they're missing this?
Yes, and not just that. Look around at the city and nature.
You're right. They're missing so much.
Exactly. Only because they have their phones, they don't notice the beauty around them.
Mark, you know what? I totally agree with you. Look at this. I found a hedgehog. He's so tiny and adorable.
Yeah, but it's not allowed to pick up wild animals.
Why not? They're so pretty.
It's the law in our country.
What does the law mean?
The law is a rule set by the government.
Okay, I'll put it down. You know, I haven't been to the park in such a long time. The last time I was here, I was on my phone checking things. But now, without a phone, I can see how beautiful it is here. So many animals and amazing nature.
Yeah, it is. I've been talking about this since the beginning. I wanted you to see all of this.
Thank you, Mark. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad I have you in my life.
Lena, anytime. I'm always here for you.
Mark, you're so cute. Were you always such a cute guy?
Yes, Lena. You were always on your phone, so you didn't notice.
Oh my. I'm so sorry, Mark. I promise I'll spend more time with you and pay attention to the things around us.
It's all right. Do you want to grab some coffee?
Yep. Let's celebrate a day without a phone.
Yep. Do you want some pastries?
Pastries? What's that?
Pastries are foods made from dough like cookies, biscuits, cakes, etc.
Who got it? No, thank you. I'm on a diet.
No way. You look stunning, you don't need a diet.
Thank you, Mark. That's such a nice compliment. Smell this coffee, it's so breathtaking.
Yeah, like usual.
Really? I haven't noticed this before.
Oh my, you were always on your phone, so you didn't notice all the simple things.
Yeah, but now I'm working on it.
And that's great. You're doing really well.
I had such a nice day today.
Me too.
I didn't realize how many things I wasn't paying attention to when I had my phone.
Yeah.
But from today, I'll change that.
What do you mean? How?
From today, I'm going to take one day off from my phone every week.
Sounds great.
It is. And I'll take you with me on this day.
Will you?
Yep, we'll hang out all day long.
Okay, I agree.
And I'll improve my English with you. You have such a good vocabulary.
Yeah, it'll be very useful for your English too.
We're home. Let's check my phone.
Yep, what's there? Any emergencies?
Actually just advertisements.
See? I told you.
Yeah, you did.
Anyway, we had a really good time without phones.
We did. Thank you for being with us. Let us know what topic you'd like next.
We're looking forward to your comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
See you in the next video.